If you receive a long document or multiple documents and you just need to get a summary of each, you can ask AI to do this. So let's take a look how. So I'm in Copilot and I only use the free version. I don't pay extra. So you can see it says attach a recent file. So I could click on the file here and you can see a little plus here. I can click on this and search for the document as well. Okay, or I can open the document, copy the text and paste it in. So you can see I clicked on this and it's added it. Now I just say what I want it to do. If you would like it summarized in a particular way, so say this is a project document for a project team and you're the project manager, you can say, specify, can you please summarize the attached document for a project manager, for an analyst, for a scientist, whoever is the person recipient of this document. I just want a generic summary, so that's what I'm going to ask it. I can also specify how short or long and what format I'd like it to be. But in this case, I just want to see what it's going to do, and now I just ask it to run. Okay, so it didn't like my first document because it was a PDF, and I guess it just didn't like the format of it or the location. So it depends where you've saved it as to whether it's going to like it. So I've actually uploaded the DOC version, the document version, and I'm just going to ask it to summarize. Again, now I don't have to type it out. I just copy, and I can copy here and then paste it. And that's it. So then it comes up and it gives me a summary of this document. Now I can also say, right, reduce the summary down to 5 key points. See, it's saying, you know, bullet point cheat sheet would be nice. And so I can go through and ask it to create a bullet point cheat sheet, a shorter summary. I can say I only want, say, the top 10 points and see what it gives me. Now, I personally always just do a double check. So I skim through the document and check, because I have seen it where it summarized a document. Actually, I had it summarize something like 7, 8 documents, and most of them were okay. One of them was not. It missed vital key points. It just skipped half the document, it seemed. So this is why I always take a quick check just to say, oh yeah, that is good, but it has saved me hours of time having to read over these documents. This is how you have AI summarize your document. If you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, then please do click on that thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, and then do subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, type those in the comments below. Take care and have a great day. Bye for now.